Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Achiro Agnes Oti, a student from Gulu University. This evening we are going to look at something very simple and very easy to do or to learn. That is mail merging. Where is mail merging mostly used? Mail merging is always used in a situation where you want to maybe send an information to very many people, and you want the same information to reach each person. You can use mail merging. The information can just reach the person or these people without you writing the letter each one, each letter, but you use that very same letter because the information that is in the same letter is for very many people. The only thing you will do is just to write the name and maybe the title, the address, where this person is coming from. Then the same letter goes to all of them. So what you're going to do, let us get a piece of work from our desktop here. Then we'll see how we can really practice, or we can see how to do mail merging. So let's get this piece of work from the desktop here. Then we get started. So this is our piece of work. So what you're going to do, you're going to come on a home here, you click that, then you come to mailings. Here, you do that. After that, it will bring for you a very many menu here, and a start menu, and a start mail merge. You are going to click, select recipient there. Then it will bring for you type a new list, use an existing list, or choose from the Outlook contact. So for this case, we are going to maybe we don't have the existing list. We are going to type a new list. So you're going to click here. Then it will bring for you a title, first name, last name, company name, address. So you're going to enter the individual person one by one here now for the same letter that you have written. So for example, number 1 here, let me say the title is doctor. So what you're going to write, doctor and a title. Then you come to first name, maybe the name is Okelo, and you're going to write that. Maybe the name here is Fred. You're going to write the last name. The company can be Gulu University. Gulu University. Gulu University. Yes, then address, Gulu City. Address can be Gulu City. Yes, that is one person. If you want to enter the name of another person, you come under new entry here. You see it has brought for us another thing. Maybe this one is Mr. You write here Mr. You come and write the name Okot. Okot David. Okot David. There you go. Maybe it's coming from Kitgum, and from Kitgum Hospital. What you're going to write, Kitgum. Kitgum Hospital. Kitgum Hospital is the address. Then here is Kitgum Town. Kitgum. Yeah, Kitgum Town. You want to enter another person, you come on a new entry with there. So it's going to bring for you that maybe this person is Mrs. or Reverend. Okay, right here, Reverend. Upoka, Reverend Upoka, Upoka Samuel. You come under last name here, you write the Samuel here. Where is this person coming from? It's coming from Kibun. It's coming from, let me say, Page Primary School. Primary School. Yes, Good City. So this is how you will have to list or create a new list. After creating this list, you will come under OK here. So here you're going to name your file. Let me say invitation letter. Invitation letter. Yes. Then you come and save here. Yes. So after that, you will have done with your mail merging. So this letter is going to reach all these people, and at the same time, without you struggling so much and without you wasting a lot of time. So for this case, everyone whose name was listed there is going to receive the same letter, and this can make someone's life very easy, and of course time wasting it is avoided for this matter. So that is how we do mail merging in sending maybe invitation, sending any information to whoever want them to receive. Yes, don't forget to follow, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.